Hello students. Today I am going to continue explanation of chapter 6 presentation skills. In my previous video I have explained you importance of presentation and types of presentation. Next topic is objectives of presentation. This topic is excluded. Next topic is points to be remembered in presentation. We study about three types of presentation: oral, written and PowerPoint presentation. Now, we shall examine matters to be taken care in case of each one of them. Oral presentation. Oral presentation generally takes place face to face. This does not mean that it is not possible long distance or with the help of technology or gadget. The following points should be taken into consideration for both face-to-face and distant oral communication. First, since the listeners are at the center, listener-centric, their mental and psychological capacity and ability should be taken into consideration in oral presentation. Second, it can bring desired result if made at the appropriate time. Third, the place is equally significant. Fourth, since the listeners are at the center, whether in a group or individually, oral presentation should be made keeping in mind their age, status and designation. Fifth, the arrangement of points should be logical. Sixth, language and words should be selected properly. Seventh, the tonal quality of the presenter should be impressive. Eighth, there should be an attempt to stimulate the feelings of the listeners so that they are convinced. Ninth, the presenter should be ready for counter arguments from the listeners. 10th, the presenter should be ready and open to accept appropriate arguments of the listener. 11th, during the process of presentation, the presenter should be able to control his feelings. Written presentation. Written presentation is generally not done face to face. That means it is also possible long distance with the help of technology or a gadget. The following points should be taken into consideration for written communication. First, since the readers are at the center, their mental and psychological capacity and readiness should be taken into consideration for written presentation. Second, the readers are at the center, whether group or individual. Written presentation should be made keeping in mind their age, status and designation. Third, proper care should be taken in selection of language and words. Fourth, correctness of grammar and spelling should be observed. Fifth, the presentation should be moderate with less wordiness. Sixth, the points should be presented logically in paragraphs. Seventh, minor points should be presented with bullets. Eighth, arrangement of points should match the format of the write-up. Ninth, the quality and size of paper should match the subject matter of the write-up. 10th, the matter, handwritten or typed, should be legible. 11th, margins or spacing should be observed. 12th, the write-up should be reread and redrafted if needed. PowerPoint presentation. In order to use and prepare PowerPoint presentation, ability, practice and presentation skills are required. Following points should be considered for preparing a slideshow as part of a PowerPoint presentation. First, the template should be selected as per the subject matter of the presentation. Second, the background color should enhance the font color. Third, the layout of the slide should be selected as per the write-up. Fourth, the subject, title of the slideshow should be clearly mentioned in the first slide. Fifth, agenda of the presentation should follow in the next slide. Sixth, every slide should be titled. 7th, the font size of the title should be bigger than the rest of the write-up. 8th, every slide should have a maximum of 5 lines and a maximum of 7 words in each line. 9th, the information should be presented to the point using proper symbols, bullets, and not in form of sentences. 10th, graphics and animation should be used to illustrate the information. 11th, audio, visual, charts and dynamic effects can be included as per demand of the content. 12th, total number of slides should be limited, keeping in mind the content. 13th, the last slide should thank the audience and queries should be invited with readiness to respond. Thank you.